Right, welcome to another basketball tutorial. Today we're going to look at the set shot. Feel free to pause and rewind any time so that you can get the technique correct. Nice shot, Mr. Cook. Right, let's rewind that back a little bit. We're going to slow it down a little bit more now. And what we're going to do is we're going to break down the set shot into the four components that make a successful set shot. Now the set shot is most commonly used for free throws, but it can be used in open play and tends to be very accurate and reliable. Now the first component we're going to look at is B for balance. Now, I'm just going to draw a little line here. You'll notice that Mr. Cook's feet are shoulder width apart, with his left foot being slightly, his right foot being slightly further forward to provide a good sense of balance and a sturdy base. He's taking his time, using concentration so that he can pick his moment, but obviously to make sure that nothing else is affecting his balance whilst he's taking his shot. Now, if we move that forward a little bit further, Mr. Cook is kept his knees slightly bent, just there. I'll just change that. There we go. Kept them slightly bent so that he can generate more power, so that when he needs to, he can shoot from further away if it's required. But what he also will start doing is looking at the next component, which is his elbow. So we'll forward that on a little bit more. Now, what we're wanting is that the elbow to be pointing in the direction of the basket, so that you can get it a nice accurate shot. The elbow being in line, so let's highlight that there. Smooth that across a little bit. There we go. Ooh. So if we highlight the elbow there, you can see that it's pointing in the correct direction towards the basket. Nice and simple. Really easy. You just want to be direct. It wants to be directly under the ball, making a right angle. Push up through the ball as you shoot. Use the end of your fingers to control the ball. You're trying to create a little box shape from your elbow up to the ball, back to your head. So you can obviously have a little bit of a box there. Okay, so if you think that when you're shooting, you might find that a little bit useful as well. Next stage is the eyes. So forward it on there. Really simply, Mr. Cook has always got his eyes on the basket, trying to make sure that it keeps his eyes on the prize, so that he therefore has all those elements ready so he can get a successful shot. Then the final bit, if we rewind that, the final bit is we're starting to look at the follow through. So if we highlight Mr. Cook's arm there, follow through, you'll notice that the wrist snaps back, creating a follow through, creating backspin, and therefore a nice arc going towards the basket. So here we go, arc following the ball straight in there. That essentially is B.E.F. Balance, elbow, eyes and follow through. Right, here's your recap. Balance, elbow, eyes on the prize, and then you follow through. Remember, you can watch this as many times as you want, stop the video and take all the points you need to.